Ever wondered how to install a Nest Learning thermostat in your home? Well, you're in for a treat. Today we're diving into the step-by-step process to get this smart device up and running in your living space. To get started using your Nest thermostat, you'll need to complete all the steps below. 1. Install your thermostat on the wall. You're here too. Set up your thermostat. 3. Get started using the Nest thermostat before you open the box. Make sure you've checked that your system will work with the Nest thermostat you've purchased. Check compatibility. First things first, gather the necessary tools. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, the Nest Learning thermostat itself, the base, the display, a trim plate, optional mounting screws, and the Nest app on your phone. Kick things off by turning off the heating and cooling system at the breaker box. Safety always comes first, and this step ensures you won't get a shocking surprise during installation. Next, remove your old thermostat. Unscrew it from the wall and carefully disconnect the wires. Be careful not to let the wires fall back into the wall. You might want to take a picture of the wiring before disconnecting. It can be a useful reference later. Now, it's time to attach your Nest base. Pull the wires through the base's center hole and secure it to the wall with the provided screws. Use the built-in level to make sure it's straight. Next up, connect the wires. Depending on your system, you may have a variety of wires. Simply match the wire's label with the corresponding label on the Nest base and insert each wire into its slot. Once the wires are secure, attach the Nest display. It simply pushes onto the base until it clicks into place. Now, bring the Nest Learning thermostat to life. Flip the breaker back on to restore power to your heating and cooling system. Finally, complete the setup on the Nest app. Follow the in-app instructions to connect your thermostat to your Wi-Fi network and start enjoying your smart home experience. And there you have it. In 8 simple steps, you've successfully installed your Nest Learning thermostat. Now you can control your home's temperature right from your smartphone, learn your habits to help save energy, and even integrate with other smart home devices. It's all about making your life more comfortable and convenient. So, enjoy your newly installed Nest Learning thermostat and the smart, energy-efficient comfort it brings to your home. You can get professional help calling Medina Mechanical at phone 416-424-4328.